Welcome to AI Development for SAP Developers course. In this course, we will first start with a basic understanding of AI agents and LLMs, their types and categorization. After that, we will see development with cloud agents and local agents. We will explore different places you will find LLMs and how to filter them based on your need. We will understand the concept of RAG and MCP. We will pack three main distinct scenarios. The first will be development of SAP CAPM apps with local LLMs and cloud LLMs. We will also explore how adding MCP capabilities can enhance LLM capabilities. Here we will explore the Codex cloud agent in terminal and Cline setup in VS Code to spin cloud agents and local agents running in GPU via LLaMA.cpp. The second case will be SAP UI5 development with MCP. Here we will be using the Claude agent in terminal and explore the MCP in details, how it is structured and architected. The third case is where we will be using SAP BTP GenAI Core and explore its capabilities and features. In the final section, we will be using SAP AI SDK to develop own RAG and LLM setup with GORC LLM APIs. So in this entire course, you will see from the basics to the advanced level of how SAP adopts AI in its workflow. So join this course where we will start with the basics and move towards enterprise adoption of AI and LLM for SAP developers. My name is Ajay Naik and I will see you in this course.